Hey everybody, Scott Pierce here at Listings to Leads, and I'm going to show you how to take really good third-party content like this, how to remove late payments from your credit report, and use it to create a post for down payment assistance, first-time home buyers to track people that are currently renting to becoming home purchasers. All right, so you can see the post here I created, and when I click anywhere in the post or that link, it'll give you a little splash page about qualifying for down payment assistance. And then people can read the article that you shared, and you're going to see at the top, there's a header. And just like the splash page that appeared before, when people click that, they go to your down payment assistance landing page. So it's a great way to use content to generate some really good leads for buyers. All right, so how to use this: log into your Listings to Leads account, click on the landing page tab to bring up the landing page dashboard. Click on Edit for the down payment assistance landing page. And this also works for free home values, new construction, property valuation plus. Right, they all funnel leads for those lead types. So click on Edit for down payment assistance in this case, and you'll see the editor will come up. And let's click on Advanced Options in the upper left-hand side to bring up the Advanced Options editor. And then you're going to see a tab here called Down Payment Assistance Header. All right. And then I've already got one from earlier, and I'm going to click Add Down Payment Assistance Header. And you see I've got a few things to fill out here, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to grab that link to the article. I'm going to type it in where it says source URL. I'm going to go back and just grab the title. Place that where it says title. And here I can put in a description. Learn how to help repair your credit score to all right, so a little description there for the target. So you can see this will be the URL that displays. Just hit add. Now, not all web pages are going to work with this. All right, so we'll see. There's really no way to tell until we actually try it. So I'm just going to click where it says view. And there we go. The second one, how to remove. So we're going to see if this works. Just not all web pages work. There's nothing we can do about it. Depends on the coding of the website. So always check it before you're going to go post. So this looks like it works. I'm just going to click the red down payment assistance button. Landing page comes up. Everything works there. So that's awesome. So to share it to Facebook, I could just take this link and copy it right into Facebook if I wanted to. Or from here, I can click to share. And I can share right any one of these. So I'll share to Facebook, because a lot of people don't realize how to get it to your business page. So when this screen comes up, just go to share on a page you manage. And a second drop down should appear. There we go. Now, if the page you want to post to doesn't display here, all right, sometimes there's a slider here, all right? So I'm going to go to my Granite Bay Homes page. And then I'll just put something like, learn how to repair your credit score in order to qualify for the most all right. Now I'm going to typically make sure I spell everything correctly. All right. Maybe add in a couple of hashtags. Got to get a good call to action. But just for demonstration purposes here, I'm going to click the blue post to Facebook. All right. Now, if I go to my Granite Bay Homes page, we should see that post there. And I can even edit that post even after it's posted. And I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. Let's bring it up. And I would boost some of these. Right, what a great way. All right. So here's that post. Now again, like I mentioned, I could come in here and edit it because sometimes you really just don't know how it's going to look until it's actually on Facebook. So I might want to come in here now and add a couple of emojis. Maybe I realize I didn't put in click below or something like that, right? I want to make sure I get in a call to action. All right, maybe add another emoji. I see I misspelled a word perhaps. All right, but again, just showing that you can edit that text. And now I see the, oh, there we go, perfect. All right, looks good. And I'm just gonna double check it one more time. I'm gonna click on this, make sure that page opens up. All right, looks like everything is working just fine. Boom, good to go. So I got a great post here sharing some great content. I got lead capture capabilities here via the splash page and that header up there. Now if I wanted to, I could click boost. All right, send people to your website, right, which is what we want. Learn more button, good. Special ad category, make sure you check that. And then use the drop down to go to housing. I'm gonna come under duration and budget. And to be honest, I don't know if this really needs to be under housing. I'm gonna say yes, just because I don't want you risking your ads manager getting turned off, okay? So I was talking as I did it, but I just changed it to 7 days for $35. I got my Facebook pixel fired. All right, all I gotta do is hit boost, and now I'm boosting some really great content with some really good lead capture capabilities built into it. All right, so again, like I mentioned a little bit earlier, let me see if I can get back into my account. So you got the same type of tool for free home values, down payment assistance that we just did. New construction has a similar header. And then all the property valuation plus landing pages have this too. All right, so it's a great way to share third-party content that is going to be of interest and of value to your people in such a way that it helps generate some really good leads in addition. All right, so check it out, have fun, let us know your feedback, post in the mastermind group your results, and love to hear from you about on that. All right, thanks everybody, and we'll talk to you soon.